I'm Giulia Giacalone. I'm a student and I live in Italy. I've been quarantined for a little over 2 weeks now. I live by myself, so I was feeling lonely. I'm far from my family, so that was the worst part, but it gets better with time. The situation in Italy is very bad. It escalated very quickly. Like 3 weeks ago, it was all fine, and in just 1 week, we were quarantined. This whole situation is pretty crazy. Our sanitary system is collapsing. We don't have enough intensive care units to face the problem. We are not allowed to leave the house for any reason. You can only go out to do grocery, to go to work if you have health problems. Like you need to go to the pharmacy or you need to go to the hospital.
What has the Italian government done in order to help people in this situation?
So the government is helping postponing deadline for taxes, like university taxes. We are receiving economic help from the EU. One very good thing that the government did is to give psychological help to people. So you can call this number and explain maybe like your fears, your problems, corona related. They will give you a hand.
Okay, so tell us about the situation on the ground and what are the restrictions with the public?
Yeah, there are a lot of policemen outside, and especially at the train station. There's nobody there because nobody is basically allowed to take a train. If you are caught being out without a reason, there are consequences. You can be arrested up to, I think it's something like 3 months, 3 to 18 months. If you get reported, you have to pay up to like 200 euros. Now we have reached a point where you like get your head out of the window and you see nobody walking outside the street.
I'm pretty sure the days have been long for you, so what are some things you've been doing in order to kill some time?
During this lockdown, you need to have internet connection. If you want to read a book, because you can download it online, or if you want to watch a movie, Netflix, or if you want to follow online classes, because we still are going to school and we need to follow our online classes. Or the most important thing about internet connection is to keep contact with people. I call my friends almost like 3-4 hours per day. So I started to cook. Like I started back to cook. I don't know if that's in English. Anyways, I started to cook the recipes that they take more than like 3 or 4 hours, like ragu alla bolognese.
What's one last thing you want to tell people before we head out?
I would say don't underestimate the situation like we did. To me, it happened like very fast. I didn't realize how bad it was. And I was like, on Thursday, I was partying, and the next Monday, I was quarantined at home.